Hello friends and welcome back to Edureify YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to discuss for NEET UG examinations. So this video is for all the future medicos. As we all know that NTA has issued the date of NEET UG examination, which is to be conducted on 17th of July 2022. So this examination will be held in pen and paper mode in 13 different languages. In form of entrance examinations, the courses they will be offering will be MBBS, MBDS, BAMS, BSMS, BUMS, BHSMS, and other undergraduate medical courses. So for all these courses, edurify.com, as you can see, our website is already open and we are providing you the practice test online mock test series to prepare for your examination. So simply clicking on our dashboard, you can choose the examination, and also you can click on online test, choose your exam subject and chapter. Exam, it's NEET, subject biology, physics, chemistry, zoology, whichever you want to revise first, choose that, and here you will get the chapters. So breathing and exchange of gases we are taking today. So these are the tests. Let's begin. So with the date of the examination has announced and it's almost around the corner. So the syllabus is based on for class 11th and 12th topics covered in state board, which is CBSC, ICSC or COBSC. There will be total 200 questions, 20 optionals, 5 from each subject, will be 720 marks. And for every correct answer you will be getting 4 marks. Wrong answers, it will be 1 marks. There will be multiple choice questions and the duration of the exam will be 3 hours 20 minutes. So the same, you have the same exam experience with our online mock test. You will be getting 20 questions and there will be a time limit. Within this time limit you have to complete all these questions, submit your answer sheet and see your current report. So first question is, in human beings oblique fissures are associated with right lung, left lung, both lungs, none of the above. So our correct answer should be right lung. Which of the following events happen when air enters lungs? Ribs and sternum raised, volume of thorax increased, diaphragm contracted, all of the above. So B. So like this way you have to attempt one question and save the answer. So जिसने भी अभी तक हमारे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, प्लीज़ डू सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल, हिट ऑन द बेल आइकन सो दैट फर्दर हम जितने भी वीडियोस बना रहे हैं उसका नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच जाए. एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो डाउनलोड आवर app Edurify the learning app from Google Play Store. Download, install on your mobile phones and start giving mock tests right now. बिकॉज अब एग्ज़ाम का टाइम आ चुका है, ज़्यादा दूर नहीं है. सो अभी से आप जितना ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मॉक टेस्ट अटेम्प्ट करेंगे उतना ही ज़्यादा अच्छा आपका प्रैक्टिस होगा एंड आपका स्कोर इम्प्रूव होगा. यू विल गेट टू नो कि आप कहाँ स्टैंड करते हो, कौन कौन से वीक पॉइंट्स हैं, कौन कौन से वीक एरियाज़ हैं जहाँ पे आप और अटेंशन फोकस कर से दे सकते हो और उसको इम्प्रूव कर सकते हो. So stay focused, stay positive, concentrate on your studies and give online tests. So now next question is, the volume of air involved in breathing movements can be estimated by using ECG, spirometer, barometer, sphygmometer. So the correct answer is 4. So जिसको देखना है अभी तक हमने जो 3-4 क्वेश्चंस अटेम्प्ट किए हैं उसका सोल्यूशन सही या गलत,